Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to talk about what is a startup. Okay, so many people think that a startup means a very big office, a large team and lots of employees. But this is not true. A startup is a young company founded by one or more entrepreneurs to develop a unique product or service and bring it to the market by its nature. So, in early stage of a startup, investors don't want to invest on it because at that time we have just an idea, plan, and team. So, whatever investments is required in the initial period, so we invest small capital from the founders or their friends and families. So, it's all about startup. So, guys, what you think? Comment below, and thanks for watching. Keep going.